Affiliate marketing for beginners is a topic that can be confusing, but I'm not going to let that happen today. You'll be totally confident on how to earn an income through affiliate marketing step by step after watching this video. Let's do it. I'm Pallen, a brand strategist. Welcome to my channel where I share practical advice to build your brand. Today I'm in Crete, Greece, and I'm excited for this topic, affiliate marketing. I've never talked about this on my YouTube channel yet. And I'm talking about this for beginners because that's what I was about a year ago, and I finally started to take this seriously within my business. And I'm glad I have done that because my own affiliate marketing efforts, although they started small, they continue to grow and become significant every single month. Imagine this, starting your day finding a $20 bill on your sofa, and then you walk outside and you find a $10 bill on the sidewalk. A few hours later, you get a notification that a stranger has sent you $25 via PayPal. Wouldn't that be a dream? Honestly, it's kind of how affiliate marketing works. In most cases, you're recommending apps, products, and services that you already use, so it's not that much of a stretch. And when you recommend something to friends that they then sign up for, you should be earning for it, in my opinion, at no additional cost to your friend, of course. The company that is paying you or giving you an affiliate commission earned a customer because of you. And so think of this as a referral commission. It's true. I started delving into affiliate marketing about a year ago. And in fact, I'm still amazed by the fact that money just deposits into my account. And it's easier than you think. Here are the basics, and I'm going to break them down into steps. Step number one, let's define affiliate links. I've already started doing that, but I want to make sure you really understand exactly what this is. Affiliate links are a way for brands and businesses to make commissions on sales by paying customers for platforms, tools, apps, services, and really anything that they endorse. It's similar to a referral where you get a cut if your friend buys whatever you refer. How do they track it? An affiliate program will attach a unique code, a tracking code to their product link or URL, and that tracks your sales. If someone purchases a product using your affiliate link, then you get a portion of the sale. It's really that simple. Step number two, we need to manage monetary expectations. Let me explain. Affiliates snowball in proportion to your audience size and the conversion rate of your messaging. On the low end, an affiliate program will probably give you around a 10% cut, and on the high end, you might get as high as 30%, which is significant. Using this example, if someone purchases a $20 program using your affiliate link, you could earn anywhere from $2 to $6 just for that endorsement or that share. And that's just with one person. So it might not sound like a lot, but if you've got a sizable audience or a small but loyal following that trust your recommendations, maybe you're a course creator, if people trust you and sign up for things that you recommend, this can add up quickly. I'll give you another example. I am a course creator. I've created a few courses, including one on email marketing. Within this course, I recommend some of my favorite email marketing platforms like ConvertKit, which has a great affiliate marketing program. So when people use my link to sign up for the platform, I get paid every month for it. Another quick example, I recently made a sponsored YouTube video with a really cool company called Synthesia, an AI video creation platform. I'll link to that video somewhere over here. This video is doing quite well, and every time someone signs up for the service using the link in my description, I get paid, and I am not complaining. So manage money expectations. It might be small in the beginning, but it gets better the more you sprinkle your link goodness throughout the internet. Let's keep going. Step number three, it's time to find affiliate programs, and that's as easy as starting with a Google search. Contrary to what it might seem, affiliate programs aren't an exclusive club. Generally, most people can join because it's in the brand's best interest to allow you to promote them. For example, I started off my affiliate marketing efforts by auditing every service and product that I use in a given week. Actually stopping and thinking, what could I use? What do I actively recommend in real life? Do they have an affiliate program, and is it something I could sign up for? So whenever I log into software, I would make a note, and then I would move on to the next thing, and I would add it to this list. When the week is up, I'd go back to that list and Google, searching for the brand name plus the keyword affiliate program to see if it's something they offered. And so many do offer it. Take Amazon, for example. Many people don't know this, but Amazon has a huge affiliate program. If you take someone to their website to look at a product and they add it to their shopping cart, and then let's say they decide to do a bunch of other shopping while they're at it, you will earn a commission on the total of that customer's purchase, which is really cool. Where else can you see if a brand has an affiliate program? I would check the footer of their website. They might link to it there, or you can go to the website's support section. I've even emailed their support team asking to get an affiliate link so I can promote their product or service to my audience. That takes us to the next step. Step number 4, make your affiliate links visible. Once you actually get your links, put them everywhere with discretion, of course. Get creative, don't be too pushy, but for most people, it's not an inconvenience to click the link. Go through every blog post, change your links to your affiliate links when recommending a product or service. Create pins and put your affiliate link as your URL on Pinterest. Promote the heck out of your product on Instagram stories and include your affiliate link if you've got it. Send out email newsletters and include your affiliate links in there. If you've got a course, include your affiliate links on recommended tools and or resources, like I mentioned. If you create YouTube videos or other video content, put it in the description of the video. It's normally advised to also disclose when you use your affiliate link. You can either type or say something as simple as, "This is my affiliate link," which means I could earn a small commission if you decide to purchase at no additional cost to you. Thanks. Something like that means that you're not breaking any rules or laws by disclosing it up front. Now on to our final step. Step number 5, promote with integrity. I know it's exciting, money, 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 but I recommend whenever selling anything to your audience, make sure that what you're selling is offering value. I recommend promoting products that are truly something you believe in or use yourself. I also recommend teaching or providing a lesson alongside the link that you're promoting. People don't really like being sold to, but they love to learn, so just keep that in mind. Of course, I'm not lecturing you, but I'm simply rounding off this video with a little reminder on how important that is. So there you go. That's affiliate marketing for beginners in 5 steps. Before you know it, I just know that money's going to be rolling in. If you've got any other lingering questions, comment below. Let's keep the conversation going on down there. I'll respond to those personally. And if you enjoyed this video, I would appreciate if you gave it a like. That helps other people discover these videos, which we work hard to create for you. And subscribe for more of my videos on branding, positioning, building, and promoting your brand. Next, I'm sharing through a few videos I think you'll be interested in. I'm Phil Pallen. Thanks for watching, and those videos are coming up next.